Hi guys, welcome back to the Search for Wellness. Today I'm going to be sharing what products we should be using instead of the harmful toxins that we spoke about in the previous one. And I'm hoping that after that one you have actually removed those toxic cleaning products from your house. I'm going to go straight into it. The first thing I want you guys to know is that I don't actually have any affiliation with any of these brands or any of these products. The only reason I'm sharing them is because they are genuinely good quality stuff, right? So this is not an advertising episode. This is actually just stuff that I use on a day-to-day basis in my house, and this is why I am sharing it. So obviously we have spoken about Grounded before. Grounded, Megan was on episode 2 of my podcast, and we talked about the harmful chemicals that we have in the environment. The other thing that I didn't step on in the previous episode was, yes, the harmful toxins that we are using are affecting our body, but they're also affecting the environment because they're going back into the water system and into the sewage system. And then that stuff is coming back into our water and we're drinking it, we're eating it, we're showering with it. So you have to be really mindful about not only what you're putting in your home, but also what you are putting back into the environment. Grounded is really good and it's such a great solution because the thing is that one of the things that I love about Grounded is that every single item that they sell has the ingredients at the back. So you know what you are using. Their fragrances are essential oils, which is what I love. And we live in a country where we have the opportunity to have these fragrances, these natural occurring fragrances growing all around us because we have such diverse soil here. So why not make use of them? Grounded does a really good amount of non-toxic cleaning products, from your floor soap to your dish cleanings, fabric softener, your laundry, hand wash, all of that. I highly recommend that if it is in your budget and it is affordable, to go and buy Grounded. The other thing that I really like about Grounded is they're really keen on recycling, so you can always recycle their plastic boxes again. That is Grounded now. Now I'm going to tell you a few of my tips and my tricks that I use. And this is a bit more affordable. So this is for people who know that they cannot afford to buy expensive cleaning products, although I still feel like Grounded is a really good and reasonable price. I use, I love it, vinegar. Vinegar is my best friend. It is the one that lives in my house all the time. I use vinegar for everything, from cleaning my flooring, to cleaning my windows, to cleaning my toilets, to cleaning my body, to cleaning my mind, to everything. I don't know. I don't know where I don't use vinegar. I think we use a jerrycan like this a week. I'm going to give you some tips. So a cup of vinegar, some warm water, and an essential oil. Any essential oil you like. So this is my lovely jar of essential oils that I use. So you can pick any essential oil that you like. They have lemongrass. Oh, I love lemongrass. And you can put that in your floor cleaning, or you can make a little spray bottle, put it in your spray cleaning for your house. The other thing that I also do is I put a little bit of cinnamon powder and a little bit of lemon to clean my surface cleaners in my surface cleaning powder, which is a spray that I make, a homemade spray that I make, to clean your windows. And your glass cleaner, you can use some soda bicarbonate also. So soda bicarbonate is really good. You can buy any form of soda bicarbonate. It doesn't have to be a very expensive one. And what you do is you throw the soda bicarbonate on your window, and then you take a little bit of lemon and then you rub it around, and you'll see all the streaks come out. And then you can end it with a little spray of vinegar, wipe it down, super clean, super shiny, super squeaky shiny actually. Smells really nice and doesn't have that horrible toxic smell that we are all trying to avoid, hopefully. For your air freshener, we can use some candles, but you want to make sure, again, now listen to me carefully, you want to make sure that you are using candles that are made out of soy wax, beeswax, not out of anything else, because the other thing you want to remember is that when you are lighting a candle that is made out of, I don't even know what the other one is made out of anymore, but the other one, the normal one that you get, the cheap candles that you get, the wax that you normally get, that stuff is also, again, it's airborne, it's floating in the air, it's going to mess up with your system. So you want to find a candle that is also fragranced naturally with essential oils and doesn't have too many, like if it has a really strong smell, then you want to stay clear of it. That's my biggest tip. Strong smell, stay clear of it. Option number 2 is to get a lovely little diffuser. You can get a little diffuser, you can fill it up with some water, you can plug it in for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and then you can stick an essential oil in it. Another tip is if you have mosquitoes, or you want to make a little repellent for the house so that to keep avoiding getting too many bugs in the house, you can use a diffuser. And you can get a citronella. I don't know if I have citronella in here, but you can put some citronella in there. You can put some tea tree oil in there also. It works wonders. And it's a nice smell for the house. It's just a nice smell for the environment. I do that in the studio because we get a lot of mosquitoes in the studio. So whenever Messi gives me a call and says, too many mosquitoes, I'm like, okay, put some citronella, put some lavender in the little essential oils and diffuse it around the studio, and it works wonders. So these are some of my tips. If you'd like more tips like this, and if you'd like more information like this, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share, because knowledge is supposed to be shared. And I hope that I have given you some sort of insight into what you can do and how you can empower yourself with knowledge like this. Take control of your health again. See what's good for you, see what's right for you, see what works well for you, your family, and your body and your well-being. Lots and lots of love from The Search for Wellness.